fellow guitar players, welcome to Master Guitar Fret. My name is Jörg. Just a little teaser of the guitar solo that we're going to tackle today, Watching the River Flow by Bob Dylan. Yes, we're going to break it down lick by lick. We're also going to do the turnaround and the pause after the first verse, which is normally done by guitar and piano, but we're going to play it just with guitar today. This is a continuation of my previous lesson, Watching the River Flow by Bob Dylan, where I covered the intro, the outro, and the rhythm part of this great blues tune. If you like to check it out, follow the link right up here and it'll take you right there. It's a great lesson. If you get something out of my lessons, then please subscribe, hit the bell, so you might get notification when a new lesson go up. Thank you very much. I'm going to start with the lead solo, which starts at 2:35 in the backing track. However, you can play it over any verse section since there's no vocals. At the end of this video, I'm going to cover what's happening during the pause, as well as the turnaround transitions from verse to the bridge. As always, any resources are in my description. There'll be backing tracks, as well as tabs for everything we do. So check it out. Okay, I'm going to play the solo right now, and then I'm going to break it down lick by lick. So, first part of the solo is the transition coming out of the turnaround of the bridge part. Okay, so I'm just going to play the end of it. Part 2 of the solo. Part 3 of the solo. Part 4. Part 5. Six. Seven. All right, let's go break down that pause section. of verse 1. And back into verse 2. Okay, let's go break down that turnaround transition between verse 2 and the first bridge. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.